My name is Boris, and I'm an intern in crew travel department. And my main duties include assisting my supervisor with arranging training hotels for crew members and communicating with hotels in order to secure optimal stays and accommodations in different bases.
I joined SmartLynx 1 month ago. Most of the time, my daily task is to update database about some certification documents or tag of installation. Depends of the needs of each department.
So I was an intern at SmartLynx for 1 year, and it has been 6 months since I joined as a junior material controller in SmartLynx. My favorite part for internship was to be able to go in different departments, learn new things as much as possible. That was the best part.
Possibility to move in different departments because you can have a lot of experience to see how it works in each department, how they work, what software they use, and the different needs they have.
Every day here is more interesting and more fun than the last. However, my most exciting day of my internship was when I was invited to join the crew travel team monthly meeting.
I applied for the internship role, but at the time it was already taken. And 1 year later, I got a notification about that it is again free and you can apply. Since then, I joined as an intern.
My decision to intern SmartLynx was driven by my goal of becoming an airline pilot. I wanted to gain insight into the operational complexities of the aviation industry. What I like most about the aviation is
the fact that everything has to be very precise.
That it is a very sophisticated field, and it is very challenging and demanding, so it pushes you to do your best.
Its role of connecting people and countries across the world and promoting cultural exchange and global connectivity.